Back to my channel. Today I'm cooking mackerel fish and plantain using an air fryer. So I am starting off by washing and cleaning the fish properly. Yes, so that is very important. So wherever you're watching this channel from, I want you to subscribe to this channel. Click that like button and share this video. So next thing, after washing the fish, I'm putting some incisions on the fish so that all the spices can get into the fish, and also so that the fish can cook easily. So when that is done, I'm going to start putting some salt to taste, and also some Maggi and some other spices such as rosemary. Yeah, so let's put the spices now and the fish. Yes, so I added some rosemary, like I said. I love rosemary. So I have some crushed rosemary leaves and the fish. So after that, I'm going to just cover the fish and allow the spices to sink in. So next thing I did was to cut the tomatoes, onions, slice them into pits. I'm going to use this to cook the sauce for this meal. So when that is done, I went ahead to cut the plantain. Yeah, so just peel the plantain and put some incisions on the plantain also so that it can cook easily. Yeah, so this plantain is not unripe plantain or green plant. It's not green plantain. So the plantain, they're a bit ripe. So I'm putting the incisions now on the plantain so that it can cook easily also. So after that, I added salt and some pepper. Yeah, dried grounded pepper, just to give it some taste. So I massage the salt and the pepper on the plantain. So now I'm going to put this in the air fryer. So I have the fish also arranged properly in the air fryer. Yeah, that's the much the air fryer can take. So I put it in and I turn on the air fryer and choose air fryer. Remember, it's air fry and not bake. So while that is going on, I started preparing the sauce to eat the fish and the plantain. So I'm using very little amount of oil. Remember, in this channel we are promoting healthy eating. So yeah, I'm using oil that says no cholesterol. So yeah. And there's the tomatoes. It's a tomato sauce. So yeah, I'm frying the tomato. I'm going to leave it to cook for some time after adding all the spices. So let's check our plantain. and fish. So one side is cooked, so I'm just turning the fish now for the other side to cook. I'm turning the fish and the plantain for the other side to air fry. And when I'm done with that, I put it back in and allow it to keep air frying. Yeah. So then check back and finish up frying my tomato sauce. Voila! The plantain and the fish are ready. As you can see, it looks good. Yeah, that is delicious. So next thing I'm going to do is to put the fish in the sauce. So I want the sauce to soak into the fish to make it very delicious. So I'm just having that. I'm doing that now, and I'm going to let it cook for 1 to 2 minutes. And it is ready. Oh, this is so looking delicious. It looks so delicious, and it's ready to serve. I'm going to serve it with a plantain. So I have the plantain already in the plate. I'm going to put the fish on the side and add the sauce on top of it. Yeah, doesn't it look delicious? That is so delicious. So that's the air fried plantain and air fried mackerel fish with a tomato sauce to go with it. This is so delicious. This is a healthy meal. Plantain is healthy, does not contain carbohydrate, and the fish also is healthy, and this is low fat, low cholesterol food that we are eating. So I want you to go ahead again and subscribe to my channel. Click that like button. So this is a different arrangement where I have the sauce on the side and the plantain and fish separately. So you can dip the plantain on the sauce to eat it. This is delicious. Subscribe to my channel and tell me in the comment section how you prepare plantain and mackerel fish.